This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling the I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit from ADLINK. If there's one thing that I've learned about Industrial IoT, it's that it moves fast. It's constantly evolving to include capabilities like vision, edge, analytics, and robust security, all at the speed of real-time operational requirements. If decisions aren't made fast enough and tasks aren't executed in the right order and at the right time, all of a sudden, your entire process is in shambles and there are pigeons, like my friend Larry here, flying through holes in your roof. Am I exaggerating? Maybe. But my point about the criticality of speed and timing in IIoT environments remains, and that's exactly the point addressed by ADLINK's I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit. So let's get under the hood of this thing. The I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit is an industrial IoT prototyping kit with an off-the-shelf ADLINK LEC-EL SMARC 2.1 compliant computer-on module based on the 6th generation Intel Atom X6425E SoC, which comes with 4 cores and 32 integrated Intel UHD Graphics execution units. The 10nm Elkhart Lake Atom processor boasts 1.5 megabytes of L2 cache and supports 32 gigabytes of memory capacity across 4 channels that deliver a max bandwidth of 59.7 gigabytes per second. The built-in GPU, which runs at a base frequency of 500 MHz, includes support for DirectX, OpenGL, OpenCL, and Intel QuickSync video, and can drive up to 3 separate 4K resolution displays. The kit also features H.265 and H.264 video encode and decode capabilities. On the SMARC module, you'll find up to 8 gigabytes of LPDDR4 memory and several high-speed I/O interfaces, and of course the Atom processor. This resides, or rather plugs into, ADLINK's I-Pi SMARC Plus carrier board, which provides even more I/O and expansion options, including RJ45 ports, several USB ports, HDMI, an audio jack, M.2 E key, and M.2 B key expansion slots, and more. The beauty here for industrial designers is the extensibility, as the Carrier Board Plus module combination allows the module to be exchanged for a higher performance one, so as long as it is SMARC 2.1 compliant. The carrier board can remain in place without requiring extensive retrofits or system redesigns for years or decades into the future. Since the kit is intended for use in industrial environments, the whole package is compliant to the IEC 668-264 and IEC 668-227 shock and vibe standards, and can operate in temperatures ranging from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. Beyond ruggedization, the I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake packs in a ton of additional features and tools that allow it to keep pace with the ongoing evolution of industrial IoT applications. These start with the security capabilities of the Intel Atom processor, such as Intel Secure Key, which contains a random number generator, meaning it can be used to generate cryptographic keys and create hardware-based chains of trust between systems, as well as within the system, when coupled with technologies like Intel Boot Guard and Intel OS Guard. The AES-NI cryptographic instructions are built into the processor, and there's also the option to add a TPM 2.0. All of that hardware-based security frees the host processor cores to remain as fast as possible while taking on new advanced workloads, but software can help on this front too. For example, the I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit supports the Intel distribution of the OpenVINO toolkit that optimizes edge inferencing models for execution on Intel CPUs and integrated graphics units. OpenVINO's runtime inference engine allows users to assemble optimized networks and manage inference operations, and its most recent release also enables load balancing, automatic device discovery, and dynamic inferencing parallelism across the CPU and GPU to provide performance boosts to your devices and systems. If you're prototyping a computer or machine vision system, OpenVINO helps accelerate your development time too, with pre-trained deep learning models and a model optimizer API available through the Open Model Zoo. So if you're interested in keeping your industrial IoT systems on the move, I'd suggest prototyping with an ADLINK I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit that will help keep your IIoT systems functioning at the safe, secure, and speedy levels that they're supposed to. If you'd like to purchase your own, unfortunately, I can't give you a specific price right now, but you can request a quote from the product page on ADLINK's website, and we'll link that in the description for you. But if you enter or mention the discount code DevKitWeekly, you'll get $20 off your order, minimum 1 per customer and can't be combined with other discounts. However, if you're like me and would prefer free over discounted, you can enter this week's raffle, linked on screen now and in the description below, for a chance to win this lovely kit right here for free. If you do win, we'll even ship it right to your doorstep without charge. That's it for this week, so as always, thanks for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you next week on the next episode of DevKit Weekly.
For more content from embedded computing design, including behind-the-scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.